In this fucking line at Rouse buying granola bars. I left my member's card and now this shit gon' have an extra charge. This old bitch in front of me buying a color printer, TV dinners, tampons, soy milk, paint thinner.
So here I am at the store for some chips that I'ma pay for with dimes, nickels, and quarters and shit. And I'm still high, so I'm trying to dip, but I'ma cut through the line to get out of this bitch.
What the fuck? Who the fuck this gay nigga in fake Gooch? Jordan numbers, whatever, wood chain with a Jesus. Hey you, what the fuck you think you doing?
Nigga, fuck you. I'm just eating rough foods, got a lot of stuff food, so won't you fucking wait that stupid look on your face?
Don't make me shoot up this place with lightsabers and guns and shoot caps at kneecaps to make it harder to run and put your ankles in some boards and pissy water for fun.
Nigga, I'm a samurai. Cut your skinny ass in half, look up at the aftermath, blow some fucking hash and laugh.
I'm a fucking ninja and a Jedi, and I'm from Compton. Better pick a better option for these Nikes, get the stomping. Chomping at your oxygen cord, you fat fake Kenan Thompson like a virgin cherry faggot, we could get it poppin'.
I bet you lock and drop it, faggot bitch, you ain't from Compton. Dumbo ears, you Mary Poppins with the piece that Kel was rockin'. I will fucking beat your ass. Box logos through the glass, I'll hit you hooky like you skipping class. Lee would get the math.
Oh really? You're silly, giving tip drills to Nilly. Get them ruffles, Noah ladies, cause Kiera might kill me. Oh fuck this, I'm grabbing 2 kitchen knives and stabbing this Ice Cube lookalike to show you a nigga with attitude.
Wait, I heard about you from that other nigga Earl, how you traveled to Milan and now it only likes girls. I'll roundhouse you into a fucking basket, push you into an old lady bag in plastic. Hope you get the message, I'll stump you into potholes and fill you up with shells, but you're used to eating tacos.
Oh, a taco joke, Damo Smoke. I heard your album sound like some shit a fake Wiz Khalifa Papa wrote. I'm insulted, shit. Damn, somebody grabbed the charm and there were Monty's messages. Monica, her nigga Armin.
Swift made switchblades, made a big incision in them. Red dot his forehead, cause Riley's into Hinduism. And hipsters who happen to be your listeners. Doobies roll your booty hole. Alexis know the truthy, bro.
Oh, Alexis, I drive all that around the Western Hemisphere like all of Kiera's exes. And bet this, I'm a motherfucking monster. Fuck talking, I'll stab you with this fucking rocket launcher.
When I cock the beanbag, I'm aiming for Supreme hats. Go to hell, I mean that. Burn you like greenbacks.
You don't mean that, you faggot. I'll get your back and I'll snap it and strangle you with that fucking leather jacket. Fall, bitch, give me everything. I'm taking all this and fleeing the scene on Rufus, my evil walrus, bitch. Fuck you. I'm out.
I'm high as fuck and I didn't call for all this. I'ma get on my zombie shit. Wait, here's my carcass.